Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain the 5th and 6th problems in Exercise 3.1. So let us go to the video. Here the 5th problem is half of the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its width is 36 meters. Find the dimensions of the garden. Here they gave the half of the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36 meters. After they gave also length is 4 meter more than its width. So let us draw an rectangle. I am taking this is L, this is B, means it is the length, it is the breadth. Breadth is also called as width. So here the width of rectangular garden. I am taking the width of the rectangular garden as B. B is equals to, I am taking the width of rectangular garden as X and the length of rectangular garden. The length of the rectangular garden is L. So L equals to what they said here, whose length is 4 meter more than its width, means 4 meters more than its width. So L is equals to X plus 4. So also they gave the half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden is 36 meter. Half of the perimeter of rectangular garden is equals to what they gave, half of the perimeter of rectangular garden 36 meters. So equals to 36 meter. We know that the perimeter of rectangular garden is 2 into L plus B. L plus B. He also said that half of the perimeter of rectangular garden. So half into 2 into L plus B equals to, they have 36 meters. So here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. L plus B. What is the value of length here? X plus 4. X plus 4 plus breadth is X plus X equals to 36 meter. So X plus X, 2X plus 4 is equals to 36 meter. So when 2x plus 4 is equals to 36, if we transfer plus 4 to the right side, it becomes minus 4. So 2x equals to 36 minus 4. 2x is equals to 36 minus 4 is 32. If here 2x is multiplying by 2, if we transfer 2 to the right side, it becomes division. So x is equals to 32 by 2 is equals to 1 is 2. It remains 1. 1 after 2, 12. 2 6 are 12. So we got x is equals to 16 meter. So therefore the width of rectangular garden width of the rectangular garden is, what we think the width of the rectangular garden here, X. So the width of rectangular garden X is equals to, we got 16 meters. After the length of rectangular garden equals to, what we think the length of rectangular garden, X plus 4. So equals to x plus 4 is equals to what we got x here 16 plus 16 plus 4 is equals to 20 meters. These are the dimensions of the problem. So I am writing here length equals to 20 meter and the breadth equals to means width equals to 16 meters. We got L is equals to 20 meters and the breadth is 16 meters. So we had completed fifth problem. Now let us go to the sixth problem. Here the problem is given the linear equations 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that geometrical representation of the pair so formed is. So here in this problem the first sub question is intersecting lines. I had take the linear equation what they given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. I am writing the another linear equation like that 7x plus 5y minus 10 equals to 0. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is the form of linear equation. After a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. These are the two linear equations I take. So here the value of a1 equals to 2, value of b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to minus 8. After a2 is equals to 7, b2 is equals to 5, c2 is equals to minus 10. Here the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. So if they are intersecting lines, the form want to be like the a1 by a2 not is equals to b1 by b2. So what they given here, the value of a1 2 and the value of a2 is 7. So 2 by 7 and b1, the value of b1 is 3 by value of b2 is 5, 3 by 5. 2 by 7 and 3 by 5 are not equal. So 2 by 7 not equals to 3 by 5. So we had completed first question. Now let us go to the second question. Here the second sub question is parallel lines. So the linear equation what they given is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. After I am taking that the second linear equation with the multiplying of these two variables by 2. Multiply two variables by 2 means multiply this 2x plus 3y by 2. We get 2 of 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. 2 2s are 4 into x 4x plus 2 into 3y 6y minus 8 equals to 0. This is the second linear equation. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is the form of linear equation. After a2x plus b2y plus c2. This is also the form of linear equation. So we got a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to minus 8. After A2 is equals to, the value of A2 is 4. After B2 is equals to 6. C2 is equals to, here also, minus 8. So, if they are parallel lines, the form want to be like A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 not is equals to C1 by C2. So, here I am writing that the value of A1 is 2 by A2 is 4 equals to value of B1 is 3 by value of B2 is 6 not is equals to C1. The value of C1 is minus 8 by value of C2 is minus 8. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. After 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8. So, 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 not is equals to 1. We got this form like parallel lines. So, we had completed second one. Now, let us go to the third question. This is the third question. Coincident lines. The first linear equation is 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. And in above problem, we had did that. We had multiplied the only variables of the linear equation. Now, here we have to multiply the whole linear equation by any number. So, I am multiplying this whole number by 2. Multiplying by 2. I am multiplying this by 2. So, 2 2s are 4x plus 2 3s are 6y minus 2 8s are 16 equals to 0. Here I am writing again the linear equation form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. After here a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. So, here a1 equals to 2, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to minus 8. After a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to 6, c2 is equals to minus 16. So I am writing that if they are coincident lines, the form want to be like a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Here the value of a1 is 2 and the value of a2 is 4. So 2 by 4 equals to b1 is 3, b2 is 6. So 3 by 6 equals to value of c1 is minus 8 by value of c2 is minus 16. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So we got 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2. Hence, we had proved that those are coincident lines. So, we had completed the 6th problem. Let us go to the 7th problem. Here, the 7th question is, draw the graphs of equations x minus y plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and x-axis and shade the triangular region. By using these two linear equations, we want to draw a graph and the triangle will be formed on the graph and we want to shade that triangular region. So, now let us go to the problem. Here, what is the first equation? X minus y plus 1. Given that x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. I am taking it as equation 1. So, if we transfer minus y to the right side, it becomes plus y. So, x plus 1 equals to y. That implies y is equals to x plus 1. So, let us draw the graph by using this equation. Y is equals to x plus 1. X, y is equals to x plus 1, x comma y. So in place of x, I am keeping the value of minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. So minus 1 comma 0. After, in place of x, I am keeping value 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So 0 comma 1. After, I am keeping 1 in place of x. 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. So 1 comma 2. After, I am keeping 2 in place of x. 2 plus 1, 3. So 2 comma 3. After, in place of x, I am keeping 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 comma 4. These are the coordinates of the equation y is equals to x plus 1. So here the coordinates are minus 1 comma 0, 0 1, 1 2, 2 3, 3 4. These are the coordinates of the equation y is equals to x plus 1. So after, there is also another linear equation of 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. So I am writing 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0 as I am taking it as equation 2. So when 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0, if we transfer 3x minus 12 to the right side, it becomes 12 minus 3x. So 2y is equals to plus 12 minus 3x. That implies 2 is multiplying by y. If we transfer 2 to the right side, it will divide 12 minus 3x. So y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. Y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. Now let us form the table for y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. So x, y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2, x comma y. So in place of x, I am going to keep the value minus 2. If we keep minus 2 in place of x, minus 3 into minus 2, here I am doing that. 12 minus 3 of minus 2 by 2 is equals to 12 minus into minus plus 6 by 2 is equals to 12 plus 6 means 18 by 2. We get 9. So minus 2 comma 9. These are the coordinates of first one. After, in place of x, if we keep minus 1, the result of y will be fraction form. So I am keeping 0. 3 into 0, 0. 12 minus 0, 0. 2 6 are 12. 0 comma 6. After, in place of x, I am going to keep the value 2. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6, 6 by 2 means 2 comma 3. After, in place of x, I am going to keep the value 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 2 means we get 0. So 4 comma 0. These are the coordinates of equation 2. Y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. So I am writing that the coordinates of means I am writing the coordinates are minus 2 comma 9 0 6 2 3 4 0. These are the coordinates I got to the equation y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. So we got the two tables. So now I am writing here on scale the measurements on scale. So on x-axis I am taking on x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. After as like that, on y-axis I am taking 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So we got 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit for both the x-axis and y-axis. This is the scale for x-axis and y-axis. Now let us draw the graph. So here this is the graph. What are the coordinates of first one? The coordinates are minus 1 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4. The coordinates I am taking that first minus 1 0 0 1. So here this is the minus 1 and this is the 0. So the coordinate is located here after 0 comma 1. On x-axis this is the 0, on y-axis this is the 1. So the point is here after 1 comma 2 2 comma 3 1 comma 2 after 2 and 3. The last and final one is 3 comma 4. Here the intersecting point of 3 comma 4 is here. After this is the point we got for equation 1, that is the y is equals to x plus 1, means x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now I am going to join these lines with the scale by using the scale. This is the line. Now I am going to represent this line as x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Y means for these equations we got these points. So after we had completed this one. Now let us draw the coordinates for y is equals to 12 minus 3x by 2. First one is minus 2 comma 9 0 comma 6 2 comma 3 4 comma 0. Now I am going to draw the minus 2 comma 9 and 0 comma 6. Here this is the minus 2 and here this is the 9. So intersecting point is here. After 0 comma 6, the intersecting point of 0 comma 6 are here. After 2 comma 3 4 comma 0, intersecting point is again we got 2 comma 3. After 4 comma 0 means the intersecting point is here. So I am joining these lines by the pencil. So this is the line we got. I am representing this line as the equation 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So I am writing here, check, 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. So we got the intersecting point here, that is 2 comma 3. I am taking it as A is 2 comma 3. Intersecting point we got 2 comma 3. The coordinate is in the form of x comma y. So x is 2 and y is 3. what he said, and shade the triangular region. So we got the triangular region here. So I am naming this, already I am named this point as A, and this is B, and this is C. So he said shade the triangle region, so I am shading that. So we had completed the shading the region. What we got here, A is 2, 3. So x is 2 and y is 3. So therefore we got x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So we had got these values. So let us do the verification. From equation 2. What is equation 2 here? 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. We got 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now let us substitute these two values in 3x and 2y. So 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3 minus 12 is equals to 0. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 3s are 6 minus 12 is equals to 0. 12, 6 plus 6, 12 minus 12 equals to 0. We got 0 is equals to 0. Therefore verified. Verified means what we got, 0 equals to 0 means LHS equals to RHS. So we had completed this problem. In next video I will explain the exercise 3.2. For more updates, subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.